So this is a short video for the D21 belt molding replacement. So these are aftermarket ones that are sold on Amazon. They do fit pretty well. So along the bottom, they're pretty good. They're very tight to put onto the ledge here. So basically I just positioned it, then tapped it down with a rubber mallet the rest of the way to fill the gap in. One thing to be concerned about is it has like a flap here and like an L here. You want to joint it up against this, and then over here it's just a tad bit long, but I guess if you wanted to trim that, make that perfect, you can. This comes on top of it, but other than that, they fit nice and tight. So along the window, there's no gaps or water seal leaks going there, and they do fit the this is a 1997 two-wheel drive D21 Hardbody, and it's a non-extended cab, it's a short cab. But I'll post a link up of the Amazon link and pictures of the item numbers for these things. But they come packaged very well and they install very easily. You do have to take the door apart because you have to pull the mirror to get the belt molding off. So if you don't know how to do that, that's pretty easy to do. So and then you just yank on the front side and it pulls up eventually. And then when that happens, you're going to need to push the ledge that's in here back a little bit, because by pulling that up, it does make that ledge move back and forth some. That's about it. So I'll probably get these replaced pretty soon, because at one point in time, somebody painted this truck and they got a whole bunch of overspray on them. Plus, these things are pretty dry rotted. And then I'll work on the inner ones, which is this one right here. That's supposed to do a lot, and then probably this one up here. So I'll do a separate video on that when I get one that fits. But I did order, I went through 2 or 3 different companies until I found one that this fit. I bought the one off eBay everybody talks about, but it didn't fit like this. You gotta be careful because some of them refer a D22. So I do have a set up for a D22 for sale if somebody wants them. That's it.